Welcome to Woodland's Maths videos, and today I'm going to share a flowchart that I regularly use with kids for checking circumference and areas of circles. Now, what I'll always encourage the kids to do is for any circle question, write down what your diameter is and also what your radius is. Kids regularly choose the wrong option there. Now, notice here, I've got two bubbles. Diameter's the bigger bubble because the diameter is longer than the radius. How do I get from my radius to my diameter? Well, if I go that way, I multiply it by 2. So how do I get from my diameter back to my radius? I need to divide that by 2. Okay, that's step 1. Now over on this side, I'm going to draw a beautiful circle. And in here, I'm going to put the formula for a circle, which is pi d. And in this instance, I'm going to ask you to use 3.14. How do I get from the diameter to get to the circumference of a circle? I go and I multiply it by 3.14. So if I know the circumference of a circle, to get back to the diameter, I have to do the opposite operation. So I need to divide it by 3.14. And if I need to go from circumference to radius, it's terribly important that I go through the diameter first and then go to my radius. Second side, there we go, another wonderful circle. And this time I'm going to use the area formula, which is pi r squared. And remember, I indicated I'll just use 3.14 again. Now, diameter doesn't join up to area. You have to go through the radius. Radius is in your formula. So here, I'm going to go all the way around there. How do I get from radius to the area? I have to square it first, and then I need to multiply it by 3.14. And I'll chuck a wee arrow in there. So how do I get from my area back to my radius? Well, we have to go the opposite way. Now, this time we do the calculation in reverse. So we need to divide by 3.14 first. But then to undo the square, the opposite of squaring something is square rooting. And that will bring us back into the radius. That's my circle flowchart, and I love it.